Just have a little rough time in that for some reason. This is another 2200, push forward. Most of the time I'm not even touching the stick. I'm giving it control inputs here. And then I'm just banking and yanking here. Oh, that was a bit abrupt, wasn't it? Sometimes I think it does better without me. Passengers on Aeronautical Airlines flight today, please make sure your seatbelts are buckled, your seats are in the upright position, and you've stowed any loose items as well as secured your tray tables, because we are going to have a rough ride. Oh, that wasn't exactly what I wanted to do, but sometimes this wind helps you do things you didn't think you could do. It makes you do things you didn't want to do. Yeah, okay. Gertie says we gotta land. Got 30 seconds.
20 seconds.
Could get one more pass in, couldn't I? Sure. Oh, and push me back up. Okay, let's hopefully we can do this now. Oh, messing things up here. I hear that, time's expired, so I gotta land. Keeping it in the tower. Ho, 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 ho. It's hung up on something, it won't move. Okay.